today we have a MacBook Air to repair. It's got no backlight on it. If I remove my torch away, there is no backlight. We are supposed to receive 27 volt at this point. So we are receiving 8.5, so it's not boosting. So you can see the state of this IC. Instead of checking anything else, because it's physically damaged, so I will just remove this IC. And we'll see if we can get a display out of it. Let's give the power. Something has happened. Okay, we have an Apple logo. Look, we have the Apple logo here. So the backlight is fixed. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. Do like and subscribe to the channel.